Hey guys, so I've got a leak of what appeared to be an upcoming 5G rugged phone from Cubot called the Cubot KingKong 11. Now this device is expected to succeed the Cubot KingKong X and the X Pro, but even though it's expected to be the successor of the Cubot KingKong X series, it is still not as feature packed as the Cubot KingKong X series. But anyway, the Cubot KingKong 11 is a rugged phone with interesting features including a 5G processor, massive battery, and IP68 and IP69K certification. So whether you're a field worker, outdoor enthusiast, or just want a phone that won't quit, the KingKong 11 is built like a tank but runs like a modern mid-range machine. The device is expected to launch in August and it's expected to cost $350. That's, its rumored starting price. Now let's break down the specs and see what makes this device stand out in the rugged phone space. So there you have it guys, the Cubot KingKong 11. It is still a nice feature-packed 5G rugged phone with solid mid-tier performance, a huge battery and military-grade durability. It strikes a balance between toughness and daily usability. So as I mentioned earlier, this device would likely launch in August and will cost about $350, but there is no official release date and there is no official price yet. Okay, so this is just, mere speculation, so take it with a pinch of salt. Anyways, what do you think about the Cubot KingKong 11? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.